To make an internal order, follow the following steps. Navigate to the Inventory module and select Internal Orders. In the new window that appears under the Internal Order Details, select the requesting location in the drop-down and enter the requesting location comment in the field provided as shown. Select the issuing location, which is a storage area within the organization from which the requested items are being issued or supplied. Click on Save to save the order. To add items to the order list, select the internal order and click on the order items. In the subsequent window, under the internal order items, select the product name in the drop-down. Once you select an item, the system will display the quantity for both the issuing and requesting locations, respectively, as shown. For instance, when you request an item that is out of stock in the issuing location, the system will return an error. Let's try that and see. We'll select an item that is out of stock in the issuing location. You can verify that here. Under Quantity Ordered, let's request just one item. Then click the plus button to save. You will see that the system returns an error stating, "Quantity ordered cannot exceed the quantity in stock." Now, let's proceed and add items to the list. Select the item you wish to add, enter the quantity you want to request in the field provided, and click the plus button to add it to the list. You can add as many items as you wish to meet your needs. Additionally, you can edit the quantity by selecting the order item you want to modify and then clicking Select to make your changes. Then easily edit the quantity to adjust your order and click Update to save the changes. After ensuring that the internal order item list is as you want it, close the window to exit. Based on your operation, the service provider responsible for approving and sending the order will check Approve Order and Send Order, as shown. The service provider responsible for dispatching the order items will navigate to the bottom left corner of the screen and select Not Dispatched from the drop-down menu. They can also adjust the dates to capture the exact date when the order was created, and click View to see the available orders created within that period. To cancel the order, select the order and check the Cancel Order checkbox. To dispatch the order, check the Dispatch Items checkbox. To receive items without dispatching, check the Receive Items Without Dispatch checkbox. In our case, let's check the Dispatch Items checkbox as shown. The service provider in charge of receiving the order will then navigate to the bottom left corner of the screen and select Not Received. They can also adjust the dates to capture orders that were dispatched but have not yet been received. Then click View to see the orders. From the list, select the order you want to receive as shown and then check the Receive Items checkbox to acknowledge receipt of the items.